Let me show you how you can run ads to threads. So let's say you want to put sponsored adverts on threads and use it to either sell your product, your service, or anything at all. It's now possible using Facebook. The first thing you need to do is that you need to have a Facebook ads manager account, and I am currently inside one. Of course, you also need to have prepared what you want to sell, like the product, the sales page, or the landing page, and all those kind of stuff. So once you have all that ready, you want to come to your ads manager, and here I just want to click on create ad. So I'm going to start a new campaign, and you are going to select your campaign objective. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use traffic because I want to send people to a landing page. All right, so you click on continue here, and you want to select the manual traffic campaign. So again, you click on continue. So this is your campaign level, and you need to give your campaign a name. So I'm just going to use that name. So here we want to set it to the ad set budget for now. So we are going to uncheck this for now, and then we are going to go to the next phase. So this is our ad set level, and here you also want to give it a name for documentation purposes. And this is where you want to select your conversion location. So in my case, I selected website because I want to send people to a landing page, but you can do messaging destinations, like if you want to receive DMs on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So if you want to send them either to your Instagram profile or to your Facebook profile or to both of them, you can use this one, Instagram or Facebook. If you want to get calls, you can use this one. So this is where we select our performance goals. So I'm going to select maximize number of landing page views. If you wanted something differently, you can use maximize number of link clicks, but this is the one that gives the better results depending on what you are trying to achieve. And after that, we want to come to the budget level. So this is where you put your daily budget or your lifetime budget. So you can put a minimum of $1 or any amount you set aside to run this campaign. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go with 5,000 Nigerian Naira. And this is where you select the date for it to start. Usually you just want to allow it to start when they approve it. And if you want it to end at a specific date, you can click on this and select when you want it to run. Again, usually I just let my ads run until the budget is depleted. So I want to come to the next phase here where we have our audience. So if you have this switch to original audience, you want to switch to the original audience. So we say switch to use original audience, and from there you can select the specific audience that you want to reach. So let's say in my case, let's say I want to target people above 25. I can click on that and say from 25 to somewhere around maybe 50 or thereabouts, 50 or 55. I'm going to do 55 in this case. This is going to depend on the product you sell and the people you are trying to reach, or the offer that you are selling. So this is where you select your placement, and this is where we actually have the option to make it go to reels or to threads. So here where you have this advantage plus placement, you want to click on edit and you want to come to the manual placement. So if you check manual placement, this is where you find the different placements where you can put all of your adverts. And here we have threads, but there's a caveat: you cannot run ads solely on threads for now. And this is because threads is not really a standalone app. Your threads is somehow connected to your Instagram account. So for the advert to show on threads, you must also allow it show on Instagram. That's the way it works for now. So you have to check Instagram and also check threads. If you check only threads, they are not going to allow the advert run. So after checking that, you want to come here and select where you want the advert to go. So we want to select just the Instagram feed and then the thread feed. And also want to uncheck these two, the Instagram Reels and the Instagram Stories. And once you are done, you see your daily estimated reach. All right. and then you want to ignore everything they tell you right here and just proceed to the next phase. So here also, this is your ad level. So you want to give your ad level a name, and this is where you select the Facebook page. So you need either a Facebook page, an Instagram account, or a Threads account. So you want to connect your Instagram account, but if you do not want to do that, you can come here, click on this drop down, say use Facebook page. Also on the Threads profile, you can also say you should use Facebook page. So this simply means that you do not need to have a Threads account or even an Instagram account to put adverts there. But if you have, let's say for instance, you want to do a profile view, then you would need to connect the Instagram account. All right. So this is what the advert is going to appear like. So this is a Threads feed and this is the Instagram feed. But we need to set up the advert itself, and this is where we add the ad image. All right, so you can create this advert manually, or you can select the post that you have already uploaded. So I'm going to assume that you've never uploaded any post before, so we are going to use manual upload here, and we are going to use a single image or video, and we are going to uncheck this. All right, and this is where we put our landing page URL or your website URL or wherever you are sending them to, and this is also a display link. So we want to now select the image, the video or the picture that we want to use for this video. All right, so you come right down here, you see where you have your ad creative. You want to click on setup creative, and this is where you upload your ad video or your ad image. So I'm going to use an image in this case. So I come right here, and if you come to media here, you can upload it directly. You can come here, click on upload, and upload the picture you want to use. I already have some pictures right here, and I'm just going to use one of those pictures. So I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to click on next. So if you go to the next, click on next again. This is where you put your primary text. So let's say I'm just going to say this is my primary text here, and this is where you write your headline. Let's say your headline is maybe start learning today, or whatever it is that your headline is. And then you can add your call to action. So let's say maybe download or get offer, whatever your call to action is. So you click on next, and these are basically enhancements that they want to do for you. So you can just say done. And this is basically what our advert is going to look like. So on Threads, the post is on top. On Instagram, the post is below. But if they click on this link, it will take them to our website. So as you can see on Threads, it is sponsored. On Instagram, it is also sponsored. So if you're okay with this, if you have any tracking, you want to activate it on your website, you can set up your creative testing much later. You can track. If you have website events, you can track and all of that. And then you basically hit publish. So once you publish it, it will go to review and your advert should be live. So this is how you can create a Threads advert from the beginning to the end. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Noel. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye-bye.